Hi, welcome to my class. I'm Mrs. Mott. I'm also very excited to meet you. Next week, when you come in, we'll begin the journey, which is fifth grade, where you learn lots of things about me, I learn lots of things about you, and we learn lots of stuff. I bring a lot of experience to the classroom, not just teaching, but more importantly, life. I am Mrs. Mott. I am a wife. I am a mom. I'm an athlete. I'm an Army brat. I'm a college graduate. I am a world traveler. I am a chicken. No, I mean I'm a singer, but I prefer to do that in the chorus, not by myself. I'm a kayaker. I'm a reader. I'm a puzzler. I'm a cook. I'm a little bit silly. I'm a teacher. And I'm many things that I don't even know yet, but I'm ready to try and learn and teach. And I can't wait to get started learning about your experiences. What will you bring to class with you on the first day of school? See you soon.